kuumɛ kirma yadit re which ka Yambio chicken bɛɛr SPLM IO chicken anyok mishun kɛnɛ ban jelin kɛlɛ ngu mishun kan bɛɛr SPLM IO la bɛɛr en nyos bon Dr. Reng Machaten chicken bɛɛr mo chicken achung ngu mnokana no baje nyok michong kaje ka chicken awuch ban racheme ban jakule linkel mi jiram jidit ka Nuer online TV channel gorjen ojen bije nyoga nasan kokien bana na me bana jalat dobe shireke togo je re wuchin winami ka ngum nyoka ber SPLM IO ka chonga jamo ka Yambio bukona linkel be je nyodie ba en turo mandan en chicken ber mo chicken chungtin ke ler dana cha no re wuchin winami gwasame sha ladano sha ber SPLM IO chaje nyoko michong kaja ka korka me chaje wochere wich ka Yambio me cha kwer e nyam mela governor futuyo me cha wochere wich me cha jujre wich ka gwase dane chaje kapinga je kirma yadit you know shuken ber mo shuken a wich ka chukana kap chonko ba ber mo ba ja chonka tuoga na mo ka korka me shafu tuyo chaje wuch you know en ber chala no chonga jako shi kuumɛ kirma yadit mentere wich ka Yambio me shi kwer futuyo chi kana joj lat kana no chungne ber mo nyone no nong ne mal ngai kone wade tuore ga metin ala futuyo me chaje wuch ka mande ka wer chote ke dech kirma yadit me showo no bekan wudo bekan wona kon wudo me shal futuyo jen akwane ke ne ngora kan ko nyala commissioner ke governor akwer me kebdi ni pin Dr. Reng Machaten ka Equatoria kana mo Yambio me chaje wuka tiang chuchute kane te gorno biken na wonak alo chagu jeno jen chirme assassination attempt alo chago nde jenna ka kane ko ne la kuumɛ ko de ne kenyam choro do kula lanyrar kana ne ten kon te kel gaje chaje joire ruob jen te kin dangro ko go dan teten mena mo cho chub gwa danen chala do chitik de cho gwaten jen chi akolo lin karam dan la spokesperson ramadan lal lare nying SPLM IO no futuyo jen tege den midin makaba na wan chwa dier ka je ko jen te chup re bunade entama adiere yen ko dong medara kor da je kapya ano en mo kwa ber le shunga jama nyot kirma yadit kana jikwara tela politician den tere we ka Yambio wa nyot kana mal wa nyut mal kana me jen ber SPLM IO na me ber South Sudan achan mandana cha gor gwasa me kuumɛ South Sudan ka kwi Yambio chan jelinkel akan gor mo bi aishu linga gwa government of South Sudan green light SPLM IO flag raising in Yambio. The government of Western Equatoria State on Friday permitted the opposition SPLM IO to raise their flag again on Saturday, marking a step toward restoring calm following recent tension and insecurity in the state. The removal of the flag follows President Salva Kiir's dismissal of General Alfred Futuyo Karaba, the former governor of Western Equatoria State and a member of the opposition SPLM IO led by first Vice President Dr. Riek Machar. On Monday evening, President Kiir issued a series of decrees unilaterally removing several senior government officials appointed under the term of the 2018 peace agreement. In the wake of this decree, the governor's residence was attacked by a group allegedly linked to the SSPDF, forcing General Futuyo to leave Yambio. He is now reportedly with his force at one of the SPLM IO cantonment sites, having fled to the state capital out of fear for his life. The government of Western Equatoria State, now led by Acting Governor Daniel Badagbu Rimbasa, has reassured SPLM IO members that they may once again raise their flag, which had been taken down following the removal of the former governor Alfred Futuyo. Speaking on Friday, Mayor Osman, the SPLM IO secretary in Western Equatoria State, confirmed that the flag was taken down when security forces arrived after President Kiir's removal of the SPLM IO appointed governor. Our flag was taken down when military personnel arrived. They were following order to remove another flag, and in the process, our flag was also taken down. Since then, our members have been uncertain about whether it would be safe to raise it again, Osman said. Osman expressed concern that even if the flag is raised, it might be removed once more. In response, Wakila Charles Abudu, the Speaker of the Western Equatorial State Legislative Assembly, reassured SPLM IO members that, confirming that the flag would be raised again in Yambio after order was restored. During today's briefing with the acting governor, we were informed that the flag has been reinstated. The Minister of Cabinet Affairs confirmed this to us. Leadership change in any government are normal. The removal of a governor is within the president's prerogative, and it should not cause panic. Even in Central Equatoria, Governor Emmanuel Adi was replaced by Jadala, and life went on as usual. What matters now is that the flag has been restored, and removing it again would not be acceptable, she emphasized it. Meanwhile, John Bariona Furula, the Minister of Cabinet Affairs, affirmed that the acting governor had fully assured SPLM IO members of their right to raise the flag, calling the decision an achievement for the state government in promoting unity and political stability. Acting Governor Daniel Badagbu Rimbasa further assured SPLM IO members that the governor is committed to restoring trust and stability. We understand that some members feel threatened or uncertain, but we are working to restore their confidence. We have informed them and that their flag was taken down by unknown individuals, but we have now assured them that they can raise it again. Their office must remain operational, and they should engage with media houses to communicate this message to the public, Rimbasa concluded. Kan ne konta la GS film IO cha ka jako bekan berin bekan nyok mishun kana ko kani no woy kana kani talarik ani wach la kwara woy ka ba kwara den ba latin ndo ba sha ber sha nyok mishun ngo jama kwimal ka yen la de freely talara miche jogo no ga ka ja kaman chala de GS film IO kani ber me woy ka ja ko korga me chikir me yadi order che jetup chuji security ten tpin den kirm yadi chu kan chu ring ka pet no ka woi kan ber gwadran cha chungten ko kan dor wut ka manana la futu yon cha kule jojan tamre wich mala governor wukana goro wukana nak kaf kana ga bom ke de kana chorde kana gwal mishangach kan tokan dial ke flan ti chalat kirm yadi kan ne kontin but tin tpin de anamo chu great cancer na long kene wan chu ga dier ko ngumelet kuma kirma yadin mishir kana mo chu ne tan wan long chu ledin chu jek ko sha ramdana kule la kwar ke governor shaje jojre wich mila rana kwar ka baje jochi lora bang ka do mi shoda lot no na me jena kwala condemn dr yang machate nyano sha rana chaje de wich ko kirma yadi tere jurisdiction ko dar ramme dar jo wich ani dr yang machar ka ro da ramdan dong de adera made wuj anyok de ka kondwol moy ke je kon gwada kana mo karan chumentam tel replacement me shane je ka kwide ke gwada anteten ko jana governor ramadan le retam deputy ne jana kwera rawde rewi ke Yambio ana me jenre ga dana to ngoda ba kore katin rewi ke Yambio ke Equatoria shirme ngayen no en kirm yadi ala SSPDF chikan yen alo wukan chikan no nyok ne de kontin la dine SPLM IO na mane me be ngore won yen ngon yam South Sudan ngore tel tichine goten ka jen gwas me kelio en pyro me tuk pyro shuman tama shi ngwan to ngwan chi odien nyot an biate kamal ban mo dien banjeling en bye bye